Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to make a professional profile picture to use on LinkedIn. First, you should be using ChatGPT free AI tool. After that, you should connect your account and start a new conversation. Then, upload one of your photos you want to transform into a professional image. You can use a photo or a selfie or whatever. And make this prompt. Make into a professional corporate profile picture for LinkedIn, keeping all facial features unchanged. And after some seconds, let ChatGPT do his work and he will provide you a professional LinkedIn profile picture from the picture you provided. Then download this image and yeah, it's ready to use into your LinkedIn profile picture. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.